Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to Max DM Crafting. I'm still in full move guys, and I thought you might like another retrospective video on one of my most iconic pieces. If you want to put a starting point on the Max DM Crafting channel, well, that point is precisely contained in this box, the Crafted Forward box. Not only objects inside, but also a lot of inspiration. One of the rules of the Crafted Forward box was to build and display a piece created from scratch by walling the pieces inside. This is how my Skull Island was born. The project is inspired by the Pirate Islands, the Tortuga hideout, just to be clear. I immediately decided that the shape should be a crescent moon, because in my idea of Pirate Island, that was the ideal shape. I have inserted 3 tea lights, one in the main tower, one in the side entrance, and one in the gate on the back of the island, in a fake cave. The addition of balsa wood details, engraved to increase its realism, served to build the jetty and the support poles. Everything had to look dilapidated and on the verge of collapse. The suspended cage is produced by Ziterdes. I soaked it in black acrylic paint and Mod Podge before smashing it with my hands to give it the appearance of a cage corroded by time and the sea. Before painting, I coated everything with Mod Podge combined with beige paint, very diluted. Once dry, I covered everything with a can of black primer. The paint job was instinctive, dirty and downright fun. I tried to combine the shades of green with the grey of the rocks, the brown of the wooden parts with flocking, very abundant. Being a piece to be used in multiple adventures, I didn't create any water effects. The modular structure therefore allows us to use this not only as an island, but also as a promontory in the middle of a swamp or as the top of a mountain. The bone floors you see are part of the Crunchy Times by Green Stuff Wood. It is a fantastic scenery piece, usable in 1,000 different ways. The fortress piece I found in the Crafted Forward box are part of an old children's game, and they are just awesome. They are rich in detail, and it was pure fun to combine them with the elements of XPS foam. A unique piece which caused a wow effect on my players. Thanks for watching this video guys. Like, share and subscribe to the channel, and until next time, happy crafting!